Hello there, my friends. So this is my thrift store haul from today. I found a BTS hat with Korean characters on it. I'm kind of happy about this. $2. My wife's going to love that. And then this one, you can see my old wallet. It had the scene from Return of the Jedi on it, where Luke's fighting Vader and the Emperor's in the middle, and that was awesome. But this wallet has seen I think it's fulfilled its purpose in life. It's starting to wear through even the second layer. So I found a wallet for 99 cents, and it says, oh my gosh. So, and it comes with an American Express card, sort of. And this was 99 cents. So, yeah, it's got the pocket there, and this is what I like. It has an inside pocket, so I can put stuff in there, because this one had the zipper, which was nice. All right, well, that's the haul today. Show me what your finds are. I love talking to you guys. Have a great day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Take care.